My door is open, you can come in if you please. My home is your home, you are welcome here with me. I'll ask no questions, I don't care where you've been. I'm just happy to have you here. Know this, my friend, you are valued, you are seen, you are safe here next to me. You are unique, more than enough. You are you, and you matter. You are loved, oh, you are loved. You are loved, you are loved. I'll leave the light on in case your journey becomes dark and you somehow lose your way, forget where you are. I will be there to remind you where to start. In case you've forgotten, let me tell you what's on my heart. You are valued, you are seen, you are safe here next to me. You are unique, you are more than enough. You are you, and you matter. You are loved, oh, you are loved, loved, loved. You are loved, loved, loved. You are loved. You are valued, you are seen, you are safe here right next to me. You are unique, you are more than enough. You are you, and you matter. You